welcome back to the channel Fun and Study Zone. So how are you guys? I hope you all are fine and even I am too. So guys, in today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial which is very amazing and it is very nice. So often we purchase different back covers for our mobile phones to make them look very nice and amazing and attractive. But guys, why cannot we make our phone covers at home? Yes guys, I know there are so many covers, but you also must be having some picture in your mind that I wish my back cover could be like this. Right? You must be having picture. So this tutorial will help you to create your very own covers, design them on your very own and just apply your creativity skills. So without any further ado, let's begin. But before, I want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and also click the bell icon next to it. Get this video as many likes as you can and share it with your family and friends. Let's begin. The first step requires a sheet. Yes guys, you can take any well sheet which is not used, but you can also take a waste sheet. Now make sure that the sheet is of white color, but if you want to give some solid color like something else, your favorite color, so you can grab a colored sheet too, but I would recommend you to use white sheet. Now guys, you will need the cover of your mobile phone. Yes guys, the cover of the same mobile phone for which you want to create the cover. So for that, you need to just keep it and trace the cover. And after that guys, once you trace it, we will move on to the next step. Cut the tracing part using scissors. So guys, I will be back after tracing the cover and cutting it. So guys, it's done. Yes, now make sure that you just cut the camera. Yes, like this. There is a camera hole, right? So if you won't cut it, so you won't be able to click pictures or shoot videos. So for that, you need to just trace this area and then cut it nicely and neatly. Yes, even a minor mistake will cause effect. Like I have cut, so you can also cut nicely. And if there's a torch thing, like yes, in mobile phones we have a flashlight also, so you need to make the area of that thing too. So the thing is that you need to cut the camera very neatly and very nicely. So now guys, you just need to apply your creativity skills, which means that you need to customize this single sheet. Now you can do thread painting, watercolor painting, acrylic painting, or some sketch you can make, or Shin-chan or any cartoon character you can create, or anything. You can even sketch your own portrait or somebody else. So you just need to apply your creativity skills and customize this single white plain dull sheet very nicely using colors. You can also use this pattern. This is called crumbled paper art. You just need to crumble the paper and just trace the lines and then just color it using sketch pens. So now I have decided to make the pentagon, hexagon designs. Not pentagon but hexagons. They are going to look super nice, but you can apply your creativity skills and design it. It totally depends on your choice. So guys, this is what I am making, a line of hexagons. So I am gonna do that on the whole sheet. So I hope you all are doing also. So guys, I am done with my designs. This is what I have created. So now I hope you all are done too. So now we are going to color it. So for coloring, I am using sketch pens. You can also use wax crayons or watercolor, but sketch pens are the best. And this piece too I have colored using sketch pens. So now guys, you can create really awesome effects and really awesome looks via coloring. So what you can do, as you can observe this, there is dark green and light green, right? So you can also create such combinations like I am doing again light blue and dark blue. But you can also create some other combinations like red and yellow or red and orange or something else. So that totally depends on you. You can use as many colors as you want. So guys, I'm done with my design. So I've colored dark color, I've used dark color and light color. In the camera the light color is appearing to be dark, but in real life it is light only. So now how to apply it, I'm going to tell you that thing. So guys, let me tell you that this cover will only work in transparent. Yes guys, this will only work in transparent, not like these ones which have solid color, because if you will use such covers, so your design won't be visible. So that is why use transparent cover. And if your transparent cover has become yellow, so it won't look good, because white will look good, not the yellow. So guys, now you just need to apply this inside and make sure that the surface, the side where you have created your designs, that should be facing this side. And now just apply it on your phone. So guys, this is how it is looking, and this is the one which I prepared as the sample. So I hope guys you love this technique, that how can you create your very own covers at home. Comment down below that which design are you gonna make on the sheet and apply. So that is it for today's video guys. If you love this video, so smash that like button.
We end this video with a sweet goodbye. Goodbye.